afternoon, everybody. Jared here. Welcome to the next system test. It's not really a system test, but I'm calling it a system test because I wanted to call it a system test. I don't care. Moving on. We got a lot of things to talk about in this video. So, I don't know if you noticed it already, but the first change that we have is that where's the wire? The wire is not here anymore. Actually, it is here. If I go over here, you'll see it. I've actually sort of moved the wire. Okay. I've actually sort of moved the wire behind here. And you can actually see a little bit right there. But it goes up this wall. And it comes out. And it goes right up here, up to the 4903. Same device as always. Going back down here. This might be the last time you see this controller mounted right here. The reason why is because here is the new cabinet that I've been working on for the past year and a half or so. I regret that because that's only been a year or so. Moving on. Taking this apart, I still need to be glued on here. I still need to do some lettering and stuff like that. I'm probably gonna put fire alarm panel here, the doorknob here, and put something like Thompson controls right down here. But just for the amount of work I put into this already, we have some work, duct tape, going alongside. It's actually mounted in, or put in for the side of the panel. Yeah, I gotta buff this out a little bit. I don't know if that's even a word. It's even in the door trim over here, as you can see it. It's in the back here. There's stuff in there, so that's why it's making all that noise. We got a nice roll of tape here. Even though it's paint starting to come off here already. And now that I see it, it's starting to come off here too. So, fantastic! And that's something I expected. And door opens and closes, nice. Not that there's no lumps of tape or anything. But putting this back together. Yeah, that's what this is gonna look like. I'm not sure if I'll be keeping this. Because I pretty much gonna have to cut a hole in this in order to fit that in there. And that cabinet is what's gonna be housing this, which I'll probably be mounting up here. Speaking of which, if I were to do an additional to this, I will probably be mounting a T-bar something right in here, if I do get a hold of one. Right now, I've been looking at prices on eBay, and it's just so expensive. I saw a T-bar, brand new, and it's like $60, which is just ridiculous. I was gonna buy, and I think somebody just bought it. There was a 4251-50, extremely rare pull station that I was gonna buy for $20. But I sizzled out and I didn't buy it, which I kind of regret that. I'm forgetting something here. Oh yes, ear protection. Alright, let's get this show on the road. So all I just have to do is just flip this and so a couple of things just happened while I was offline here. So plugging it in without no power, the 493 starts going off. I'm not making that up. It just made a loud, burp. That's what it did. Anyway, moving on. Alright, take 3. Is it just me or is that so high pitched again? Man, this is one wild system test. Yeah, might as well. And let's go upstairs and manually test the first alert because, surprise, surprise, it hasn't gone off lately for smoke. Oh, where's the test button? There it is. I don't know why it was doing code 3 like that, but okay. Imagine if I had the true alert on right now. You'll hear it pretty good out here. You know, for a 4.3, it's so loud on the inside, but out here it's just so quiet. I mean, I can't hear it. You'll probably hear it in the video, but I can't hear it because I got ear protection on. It's actually very nice out here. A little chilly with the breeze. Let's go silent and... Even with ear protection on, that sucker pack a punch. And we'll reset. Now I want to go grab my key because I got something in the garage and I want to show you. And this is for an upcoming project that I've been working on. I'm sure for those who are on Discord, yes, I have a Discord server, by the way. It's actually Simplex's Discord server. So if you have Discord and if you want to join, I'll see if I can get the links from him and maybe he'll let you join. Alrighty. Here go with the bus. Yes, it's still here. So this is a little project, this thing, that I am going to start working on soon. And this is actually a sneak peek of something that I might be getting in the next month or two. What could it possibly be? I'll let you decide in the comments. Without that being said, have a good day, and I shall see you later. Bye-bye!